In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Claude AI app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so you can sign out quickly, whether you're switching devices, troubleshooting, or just wrapping up for the day. Start by opening the Claude AI app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look to the very top left corner. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the menu, sometimes called the overflow icon. Tap those 3 dots to open the app's options panel. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the app's home or conversation screen and try dismissing the keyboard so the top bar is visible. From the menu that appears, tap on Profile. This takes you to your account area where you can see information tied to your profile. It might include your account name, settings, or other details, but don't worry about changing anything here. We're just heading to the place where the sign out option lives. On the profile page, scroll down toward the bottom. Keep scrolling until you see the logout option. It might appear as a button or a labeled row, and it's usually easy to spot near the end of the list. When you find it, simply tap logout. If the app asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm to complete the process. After that, you should be returned to the sign-in screen, which is a good way to verify you're fully signed out. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Logging out won't delete your chats or your account. It just disconnects your current session on this device. You can always sign back in with your usual credentials. If the 3 dots aren't visible due to screen size or orientation, try rotating your device to portrait mode so the top left corner shows the menu. If you still don't see profile after opening the menu, scroll within that menu panel. Sometimes it extends beyond the visible area. And if you're in a weak network area, give the app a moment to load the profile page before you scroll. That's all there is to it. Open Claude AI, tap the 3 dots at the top left, select profile, scroll down and tap log out. Follow these steps anytime you need to secure your account, switch to a different profile, or refresh your session. Thanks for watching, and now you know the simplest path to logging out of the Claude AI app.